Let's see how to create an invitation card in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, an invitation card usually contains the following. So you have the name of the host or the one that is hosting the event, the name of the event, the date, as well as the name of the receiver. So the fastest way to create an invitation card in Microsoft Word is to use Microsoft Word's free templates. And to do that, first click on the File tab. Now here, click on More Templates. And right here, under the search bar, you can type in invitation, and you should be able to find a lot of different kinds of invitations depending on the event that you want to. And once you've chosen that your preferred invitation, you can simply click on it and a new document will open up where you can edit your invitation. I hope this helped and I will see you soon.